Need to send money internationally with low fees? Let's get Wise app on your iPhone. First, open the App Store and type Wise in the search bar and look for the official app. Once you have found it, tap the Get button. If you have downloaded it before, you will see a cloud icon instead. Tap on it and your iPhone may ask you to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Just follow the prompt to continue. Now, wait for the installation to complete. This usually takes just a few seconds, but it depends on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. If you can't install the app, check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure you have enough storage space, and confirm that your iOS version is up to date. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone and try again. Have you used Wise before? Let us know in the comments. Now you are all set to send and receive money globally with fast and low-cost transfers. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.